Last minute 11 plus exam preparation tips. How you can prepare yourself for the 11 plus exam if you have got very limited time left. So tip number one is, please remember to work on your core skills. If you have a habit of reading a lot, so make sure you keep on reading a lot as well. Also, very important thing, try to do lots of mental arithmetics. Mental arithmetics is very important. It will help you in passing your 11 plus exam. Another tip is that try to do synonym antonyms. Try to do lots of practice papers where you can find a synonym antonym. I have written synonym antonym books as well. My books are available on Amazon. You can get from there, or you can let me know. I can send you the book, but please remember to work on synonyms and antonyms. Try to read books, and also very important thing when it comes to the 11 plus exam preparation, try to do maximum number of practice papers, whether it's a CGP practice paper or bond practice paper, or maybe you can get some other publishers practice papers, but try to do maximum number of practice papers. And while doing practice papers, what you need to do, you need to time yourself. Do not start any practice paper without timing yourself. And also try to do it in an exam condition. What does it mean? Exam condition, it means there's no break while you are doing the practice paper. There's no break at all. And also you should time yourself as well. And imagine that you are in the exam condition. And what I would suggest, because still summer holidays, you can still study for 4 to 5 hours every day. And when you are marking your practice paper, and if you find any mistakes, what you can do, you can work out those mistakes. Do not ignore them. This is very important. Do not ignore them, and always try to do as many practice papers as possible. And you should follow us, and you should have good sleeping pattern as well. Whatever the maximum number of hours you can sleep, what are required, you should do. You should sleep for at least 8 or 10 hours, and then so it will help you in preparing yourself for the 11 plus exam. And also please remember, as I've always said in my previous videos, that enjoy your tiny success. If you are getting good score in your practice paper, you should enjoy and you should celebrate that as well. What will happen? That will bring a positive energy in you. So please remember, these tips can be very beneficial for you. Thank you very much. Okay, bye.